Chief Minister Hon'ble MLA appeals to people to stop collecting money or donation on the pretext of ongoing Manipur crisis. He was responding to the matter raised by Ukhrul MLA Rammuiwa during 0 hour of the assembly session regarding band imposed by transporters along Imphal Ukhrul road against the alleged collection of money by valley-based CSOs. Expressing his views in this regard during the calling attention, Chief Minister N. Biren highlighted the efforts made by government in protecting the lives of common people. He said, quick response vehicles have arrived to facilitate security forces in maintaining law and order. The House leader urged the public to stop collecting money or donation from commuters and appealed for concerted efforts in bringing peace in the state. He also warned of actions if people continue with such wrongdoings along the highways.
Ukhrul, Imphal Ukhrul Road that is the only lifeline Ukhrul district idi. Aduna huji shumuk waba matam shida muhoina amuka indefinite blockade tawrobadi ekoi misery shi. It will be compounded. So as a MLA of the Ukhrul district, I would like to urge the leader of the House and also the Honorable Transport Minister to solve this amicably. Mishe hajaning bani with all humility at my command. I matter she am urgent way the hijack bani.
Kari no equigi me sing shishu equigi. Lan songna bani having amada, crisis in amada, sorok the Peshak higher land, and any having natural gumma. Queen Mayam's lay see. Sorok lums out the me as at oak the Sumina takes a comb than a Taurota. I'm a loser get the winuba. Was it later situation? She the yamna. No way, but in an emotional way, but in a agency, my am so had the lambido, the Tauraga pan and a pool, and a hakot and a tawum, so heck. Lady Bush situations the Nuaja speaker, sir. Other machine the quick half time with one sang ever. Land, but we shall hire a thing, another high school. Come in, lady.